Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to download Steam Tools. Steam Tools or Steam CMD is a command line version of the Steam client used for installing and updating dedicated servers. Firstly, visit the official Steam CMD page at developer.valvesoftware.com/wiki/steamcmd. Choose your OS like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, then extract a zip file to a folder. Run Steam CMD exe to start. Many games provide their modding or server tools directly through Steam. Just open the Steam client, go to Library, and click on the drop-down near the top left and select Tools. Use the search bar to find tools like ArcDevKit, Source SDK, or left for the two authorizing tools, and then click Install. Or you can download workshop tools via the in-game options. Some games require you to download workshop tools inside the game itself. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.